So I just built my daughter a miniature homemade DIY house. It's like a toy house. And I am gonna let y'all see it, you know. She doesn't know that it's ready for her, but it's gonna be a present to her. I got this house for her when she was like 5, 6. Did you see it? It's like that, you know what I'm saying? Came in this box. It was like $70 or something. And I'm thinking, hey, this is a great time for us to spend some time together and build something together. And we tried when I got it and we were so excited, but it was beyond our capabilities at the time. I thought it was gonna be like a Lego situation, and the pieces were so small. Like, I'm gonna show you one of the pieces. Oh, you see that little piece? I had to use a toothpick to put some of this stuff together with super glue. I had never built something like this before, but I said, hey, you know what I'm saying? I wanted my first time building something like this to be for her. So all the pieces you see in here were put together by hand by these. And I still have super glue on my hands, actually, that I gotta wash off. And I'm gonna let y'all see me lighten it up, you know, for the first time, because it lights up, you know, and you have to like twist the wire. So, all right, so are y'all ready? This is the house. Look at that. And I had to glue everything down because I didn't want it to break, because stuff is so small that it's breaking. I was using this little paintbrush to put together stuff, but you see I glued this baby down. I didn't glue the bed down in case she wanted to put something in there, but like this little bitty handle, I had to glue that on. I had to create these books. I had to create all of this, that in the background that says family, and I created this light up here and this light around here, and they actually light up. You can see the curtains back there. Look at that. The curtains are made of wires that you bend and you glue onto the wall. You can put the wallpaper on there. I ain't gonna touch the pillows with the dirty paintbrush. The little curtains, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Look, I tried to put all my love into this, man. The windows on the roof, you can see it's even crooked. That Virginia weather, it ain't gonna it ain't gonna survive that Virginia weather. The little dot and all these little things in here are glued on. Like, I can knock one of these off. It's so, you could even see the glue down there, right? I did my best with that. Look at the little dog watering this thing. And that little handle right there, oh, that was so tough to do. And look, you can see some of the pieces I still have. You cut this up and you put them in there. These are the little beads that you put inside of there. Oh my gosh, it was crazy. It was crazy. I had to build these oops. These cabinets do not open. This floor is ceramic, ain't real wood. See that I put those little books up back there. All right, so let me let y'all see it light up for the first time. I gotta twist these wires, man. Then I'm gonna twist that. I wish I could let y'all see it, but twist that, right? And then bring this other white one in. I'm trying to remember the direction I'm going in case I need to untwist that. And let's see. Oh, wow. Look. Oh, that's pretty, right? Wow. And this even looks like sunlight, my little flashlight back there. Wow. Ooh. Isn't that pretty? Wow. Look at the paintings on the wall, crooked and This is for all the parents and dads out there, black dads especially, you know what I'm saying? Gotta represent. Do what you can. So I just gave my daughter the house that I built for her, right? She was so intrigued and fascinated and just like, how did you put this on and this on? And sometimes it breaks and I let them know that they can glue it back on and stuff like that. But man, it was great to do that.